Kudakwashi is reportedly in a state of deep depression following the admission of Tungwarara into the Central Committee. Zadabina mashuku budanyu kupangwa na chinzi. The double blow. Kudakwashi's political gamble backfires. Zadabina mashuku budapangwa na nuko kunzi. Kudakwashi tagure yise rival Paul Tungwarara over co-opted into the Central Committee. Chitiko. Vanhu chauda yanskona kuti zvichaka zvichapera sei. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina paendo. Yaling Emmanuel Rambirachiti. The aspiring presidential candidate feels he has suffered a double blow. He had mistakenly convinced himself that he was the only individual with the financial muscle to buy a seat in the Central Committee, despite clearly failing to meet the required criteria after distributing vast amounts of cash, ambers, coupons, cars, and other free buys. Kudakwashi managed to sneak into the committee via questionable co-option by Harare province. Basking in the glory of this co-option, Kudakwashi went as far as assembling a full-time presidential campaign team fronted by figures such as Kandishaya and Afia. He has been openly bragging that his deep pockets would prop him to the highest office in the land. However, when Tungwarara expressed interest in securing a central committee seat through co-option by Manicaland province, Kudakwashi was livid. He deployed every tactic imaginable to block Tungwarara's path, reportedly spending more money supporting his rival than he did securing his own seat. Kudakwashi is now reeling from the realization that despite the fortunes he spent on various party bigwigs, Tungwarara succeeded anyway. These officials took his money, offered empty assurances, demanded more, and misused him. Kudakwashi has finally realized he was played for a fool. Unbeknownst to him, a signal had been sent. Instructions were given to collect as much as possible from him, message his ego, and ultimately dump him due to his perceived lack of charisma, competence, and integrity. Ndo zviri kubuda panguva zvinyogwa aiwa naLin M pamusoro aiwa penhau yakuda kuchita kure pina comment section pedu zvafunguro aimba kuti pamusoro pe the co option yatungwarara. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.